Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see if account is inactive, then how to revive it and start growing again. So if you left Instagram for a while, like you stopped posting or engaging and now your account is kind of dead and you want to revive it, you want your post to again go viral and get the maximum views, then I'll show you the easiest way to for it. So for that, first you have to simply click onto the Instagram app icon and after that you will get into the app. Once you're here, then at the bottom you can see we have five different options. So from all these options you have to click on this right one or your profile icon to go into your profile. Once you get into your profile, then what you have to do is that you have to start posting once again. The key is just posting. There's no button that could reactivate your account or could revive it. You just have to simply start posting content. Along with that, you have to use the trending music and you also have to do the trending stuff like any sort of trending challenge or maybe anything that most people are creating or most of the people are searching for. Just simply create it. It could be any sort of act, any sort of music, or any sort of thing that you can do or you think that most of the people are doing. You just have to simply do it. Then also make sure to add the location because the location gives you some sort of reach. Then you can also check out this audience and other options as well, and if you find anything relatable or useful you can also check it out. And also make sure to add a good caption on your video or something related to your video, and also give the hashtags. Hashtags are very much important. Along with that hashtags, you can also give the keywords. Keywords are very much similar to hashtags, but in hashtag we add the hash, and in keywords we don't add the tag, we just simply write keywords. Make sure to add at least three hashtags, and for keywords you can add anything related to your video. What the words could represent your video, just simply add something similar to it. It will also allow you to go to further reach. And also be consistent with posting. Make sure to post one reel or any one post each day, and if you keep doing it for like a month, then your account will revive. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.